Hello, my Cruising and Travel fans. It's Rob here with Cruising on the High Seas and Travel, here with another food. Actually, you know what? This week we're gonna do a drink review. So we're gonna be trying this Chubby. Yep. And we're gonna see how it is. But first things first, let's have that intro, and we'll try it after that. So here's that intro. And thank you for staying all the way for that intro once again. I'm your host, Rob, with Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Like I said in the introduction, this week, we're actually going to be doing a drink review instead of a food review. And this week, it is going to be a chubby drink. So, let's crack it on open and give it a try. So, let's do it. So, we just cracked it on open. It's a little warm. Well, it is warm, but that's okay. Sometimes it's nice to have warm drinks, but I prefer them cold. But it doesn't really change the outcome of this. Alright, so let's give it a try. Not too bad. It's almost like a regular soda, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, almost like that, but just has that little afterbite taste maybe, but actually not pretty good. And it's been a long time since I've actually had one. And it's a cola flavor, so pretty much like your Pepsi and Coca-Cola. So it's actually pretty good, and I would recommend it. I got these from Walmart, and I think they were around about $1.25, $1.50, maybe less. But yeah, pretty well darn good. So I do recommend these, but I'm gonna finish enjoying this chubby, and let me know, would you get yourself a chubby if you found one? Let me know in that comment section down below. And while you're down there, let's make sure we leave a comment, because you gotta let me know. And like, subscribe, share, smash that like button, and ring the bell with notifications all. And last but not least, share, and share. Well, I'm Rob with Cruising on High Seas and Travel, and I will see you in the next food review, live stream, or even wherever travels may take us. Until then, bye for now.